Well, hello and welcome to another Tyrrell's Classic Workshop. 'Tis the season to be jolly, so now for something completely different.
Oh, hello. My name's Williams.
What of it? What is the purpose of your visit?
Well, I've come here, for the interview.
I do not know, monsieur. This is a top-secret establishment.
Well, I know that. That's why I'm here. For the job. Espionage.
Well, why didn't you say that before, you fool? First, you will need to report to the medical department to be examined by matron.
Oh, a matron. Oh, matron.
Then you will need to report to the records department to see if you have any history of infamy.
No, I don't have infamy. They've all got it in for me.
It is my sworn duty, monsieur, as a member of the Sûreté, to inform you that this is a matter of national importance. Are you carrying a BIM?
A berm?
A BIM.
A berm?
A BIM.
Oh, a bomb.
That is what I have been saying, you fool.
Oh, of course. No, only this. It's ticking. It's a small gift for your boss.
Thank you, monsieur. I will be sure to pass this on to Commissioner Dreyfus. But I am the first part of your evaluation process. My carefully trained senses have told me that you are indeed a potential for espionage.
Oh, thank you.
Please pass through the entrance.
Goodbye.